Yo, what's up, everybody? It's your Desely here. First, before we start, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever the time is in your country. So, today, as I told you before, that I'm gonna post a video about how much money I made after getting monetized within that day. So, on 5th of November, I got monetized. So, everybody knows that. So, I monetized around in the evening time according to my country. So yeah, so it's not a full day, but it's just that day. We're gonna see how much did I made, and I'm gonna show you something special as well. Okay, when we go, so for that we have to go to YouTube Studio. When we go to YouTube Studio, just go to Analytics. When we go to Analytics, just if you go on revenue, you won't be able to see it because we just started. So to get the more advanced information, you have to go to revenue. On top of here, there's a new option of revenue after monetization. So yeah, we gotta go there and you can see here the estimated revenue is nothing. They're still updating that. RPM is nothing. So this is what I got. Playback based CPM is $3.45 on that. Like it's not even the whole day, it was just few hours. But that's what I get. So, okay, here you can see skippable ads, 70% people watch, bumper ads, 16, non-skippable ads, display ads. So this how the revenue works. So this one from third, three ads to five that day. So these five ads. So this much playback based on CPM, just. So okay, the another feature I wanted to show you guys about the membership. Before I show you guys, I'll show you the rules. So as you can see here, you meet minimum requirements to be considered for the membership on YouTube. So what are the membership conditions? You must have to have a 5,000 subscribers. You must be 18 years older, and your location should have these facilities, and it's not made for kids. And YouTube partner program, you should be monetized and stuff like that. So just gonna go by. So to say that, we're gonna go to monetization because last time, if you guys seen my video, we didn't have this membership option here. We only had overview and super. Now YouTube add our monetize membership features as well. So as you can see, here is the membership feature as well, which I'm quite shocked when I open my account and seen this. So just wanted to straight away make a video. I haven't even clicked on this account to this on explore steps. So what they really telling us about. So that's why I wanted to make a video and I wanted to do it in front of you guys. So let's go. Okay, I want to explore the steps. You gotta be kidding me. Okay. Our page suggestions significant promotion and perks will be necessary to convert your video into members. Okay. 12.6% of your viewers come from subscribers. Okay. You see, you gotta watch my videos. You can't just leave it there. YouTube is also complaining. Okay, just never mind. Just get to the another one. Member allows your friends to pay monthly fee and get access to members only badges, emojis, perks to. Oh, okay, take your time. Don't rush this setup process before you launch. Okay, you need to agree the terms and condition. Okay, sir. Okay, so there is also a four-step process. So in that one is to set up your membership offer. Upload badges and emojis. That one I have to upload. Then YouTube, what are you gonna do if I do everything? Okay, announce your memberships. Okay, post to welcome new members. Wow, like postcard, like it's post to postcard or something. Okay, let's just this one I will do in a new video, next video. So because I literally don't want to ruin the fun in this video. Just make it a suspense. Need something new. Just post that one. I read that one. I'm curious. Like, should I send? Can I send them the postcard at their home? Create some members only post giving a warm welcome to your biggest fans. Posting regularly from your channel tab, community tab is a great way to keep members coming back month after month. Okay, but I still didn't understand. But it's okay. Thank you. I'm just gonna keep silence on that. So we will do this one on the next video. So just make sure the increase the numbers you can see here 12.6. You gotta increase that, buddy. Come on, my friends. We can do better than that. You know that, right? Yep. Well, that's good. It's just like as I showed you before, you need minimum 5,000 members, but wow, am I the lucky one? Am I really lucky? Because in my one of my video I say I am lucky where I got the gun with ATCP in Call of Duty. And this one, okay, that's interesting. I will watch this video later because I don't want another copyright. So yeah, love you all, guys. Stay safe, stay connected, and try to watch more. Come on, you can do better than that. All right, see ya, guys. See ya, see ya.